What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at this heavy-duty transmission mount from SVE, designed for the 1979 to 1998 Mustangs. If you're in the market to both replace and upgrade the factory transmission mount in your 79 to 98 Mustang, then you should definitely consider this heavy-duty mount from industry leader SVE. Over time, the factory rubber mount will deteriorate from prolonged exposure to the elements or any oil or fluid that has come in contact with the rubber. This will cause excessive drivetrain vibration and the possibility of missed shifts under wide open throttle because of transmission play or slack from the defective factory mount. Those symptoms are easily resolved by upgrading to SVE's heavy-duty transmission mount. Now, their mount is built from premium materials and will benefit the car in several ways. Because of the beefy construction, you'll be able to improve those wide open throttle shifts and of course drastically reduce bushing deflection. The bushing material is a hybrid rubber compound that is red in color, incorporates a higher durometer rating, and better resistancy to petroleum-based substances such as engine oil or transmission fluid. The metal bracketry is zinc-plated to withstand harsh environments, and the provided transmission mount to crossmember bolts are rated at 8.8. In the box, of course, will be one transmission mount, 2 bolts, 2 lock washers, and 2 flat washers. The only factory hardware that is going to be reused when installing this transmission mount is the transmission mount to transmission housing bolts. As far as fitment is concerned, this SVE heavy-duty mount will fit all 1979 to 1998 manual and automatic Mustangs, with the only exception being the 1996 to 1998 4.6-liter 2-valve Mustangs. Those cars had a different offset mount, which is why this SVE mount will not work. Now, to begin the install, you'll first want to support the car via a lift or get it as high and as safe as you can if you're going to be working off of jack stands. Once you have the car in the air, you'll then want to support the rear of the transmission at the tail shaft with either a pole jack or a floor jack. From here, you can remove the 2 retaining nuts from the transmission mount to the transmission crossmember. Loosen and remove the transmission crossmember to body mount hardware, utilizing a socket on the bolt head and a socket on the nut. Do this for both sides. At this time, you can remove the bolts and let the transmission mount hang on the mid-pipe. At this time, you can loosen and remove the 2 5/8 bolts, retaining the transmission mount to the transmission itself. Our application is a little bit different since we do have the turbo and our exhaust hanger is coming down with the mount. Yours will stay in place if you are running a traditional mid-pipe. Before you install the new transmission mount, take this time to clean up the 18mm bolts, or you can purchase new ones. Once they're clean, go ahead and apply some anti-seize. Apply some fresh anti-seize to the shoulder and threads of the transmission mount to body bolts. Position the new transmission mount into the car and thread in one of the 5/8 bolts. Run it down by hand. Install the other 5/8 bolt. Fully tighten the hardware. Reposition the transmission mount into the body mount. Align the holes and slide a bolt through. Do this for the other side. Reinstall the nuts and fully tighten the crossmember to body mount hardware. With the provided bolts in the kit, apply some anti-seize to the threads if you'd like. From here, you'll slide over a lock washer, followed by a flat washer. Do this for both bolts. Bring the transmission down until the transmission mount rests on the crossmember. Verify that the bolt holes are aligned, and then finger tighten each of the included bolts. These are 16mm in size, and then you can go ahead and fully tighten them. From here, you can double check your work, remove your jack, get the car on the ground, and you're good to go. Wrapping things up here, guys, this is a pretty straightforward part. You'll be able to upgrade your factory mount with confidence and enjoy the added benefits of the heavy-duty transmission mount from SVE. Of course, for the most up-to-date product information and pricing, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.